Hello, everyone. My name is Brent Parker, and today I'm presenting my entrepreneurial Toolbox submission, which is focused on leadership in scaling a small business. This topic is vital because leadership directly impacts the scalability, sustainability, and overall growth of any business. In this presentation, I'll explore the key leadership strategies that facilitate successful scaling while maintaining a mission-driven approach. Scaling a small business involves navigating numerous challenges, from resource constraints to cultural shifts. Leadership is pivotal in addressing these challenges and ensuring that growth aligns with the organization's mission and values. Today, I'll walk you through the leadership strategies that drive scalable growth, emphasizing sustainability and adaptability. Throughout this course, I've learned that effective leadership is not just about managing people, but about aligning an organization's vision with its growth strategies. A key takeaway was the importance of preserving culture during growth phases. Frameworks like Kotter's 8-step change model provide a roadmap for leading teams through transitions while maintaining alignment with the company's goal and mission. Leadership in scaling revolves around three critical elements: vision, communication, and innovation. A clear vision provides direction, while transparent communication fosters trust and collaboration. Lastly, encouraging innovation allows businesses to adapt to evolving market demands, creating a foundation for sustainable growth. In my expansion options paper, I initially prioritize entering new markets. However, my perspective has evolved through this course. I now understand the value of embedding sustainability into growth strategies. For example, forming partnerships with like-minded organizations, or using AI tools to analyze market trends can reduce risks and enhance scalability. To scale a business sustainably, leaders must focus on 4 practices: aligning culture with growth, fostering innovation, engaging stakeholders, and embedding sustainability into strategies. These practices not only support growth, but also ensure long-term viability and alignment with core values. As the founder of Resilience Repurposed LLC, I'm applying these principles to scale the business. By leveraging technology, forming strategic partnerships, and fostering innovation, I aim to grow sustainably while staying true to our mission of creating lasting, positive impacts. In conclusion, leadership is the linchpin of successful scaling. By prioritizing mission-driven growth, preserving culture, and fostering innovation, leaders can navigate the complexities of scaling while creating meaningful impacts. I thank you for your time and for watching this, and I look forward to your feedback. Here are the references I used for this presentation. These resources have been instrumental in shaping my understanding of leadership and scaling strategies.